Alright guys, I had to do a wee voiceover for this video. The sound didn't work out on this camera, it's the first time using it. But I'm doing a kill switch in my mini digger. Just going to use that wee bracket. Just show you where I'm thinking of putting it. Just going to put it in here. It's a wee lockable box and it's right and secure. The way these kill switch works, they run 2 wires to the battery here. I ended up finding that small wire there. When you disconnect it from the battery, it wouldn't start it. So that's what I'm going to use instead of using that thicker wire. So it's actually going to work out alright. Same thickness of wire as well that I have there. That's the first wire. I'm soldering it on. And here I'm installing the second wire. I'm putting a wee heat shrink. Push it up as far away as you can where you're going to be soldering. You can buy them wee kits on eBay for right and cheap. And that's the second wire going to the switch. Just screwed that bracket onto the back of the switch. Just enlarged the hole a wee bit with a drill just to make sure it would fit. And I just put some electrician's tape around it so no wires or anything could touch it, or it wouldn't earth itself and spark. Then that's it on. I screwed it on the bit of plastic at the side there so it wouldn't earth itself. But if you're doing it yourself, there's wee holes in the side of it there that you can use. So that's it. Nice wee secure box to lock it in. And as well guys, you can buy them wee switches on eBay. They're only a tenner or something, so they are. Kill switch for a digger. Just type in and they should come up. Yeah, that's the final wee walk around. Tidied the wires up and stuff. So that's it for this one guys. Hopefully it was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again.